Yeah, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial today, we're going to be talking about top crypto mining stocks that you can invest in 2022. As we all know, the currency market haven't seen its former all-time high of over 60 something thousand dollars. Currently, the crypto market is trading around 21,000 to 22,000 as at the time of recording this video in July 2022. But then that doesn't mean that some of these crypto mining stocks can't make you some money if you can actually invest a very reasonable amount of money into their business. So we're going to be reviewing some of these crypto mining stocks that are highly verified that you can invest your money in and be rest assured that you are going to get your money in both profits by the end of the year 2022. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, all you just have to do is to hit the subscribe button, and also if you are enjoying this video, just give it a like so that more people can get to see it and watch videos on this channel. Thank you very much for finding my video worth watching. Before we jump into reviewing some of these top crypto mining stocks, we need to first of all ask ourselves, is it profitable? In May 2022, there was a revenue tank in the crypto mining industry, and according to a research by the BLOK, Bitcoin mining revenue fell by 21% in March. Miners received 906 million in revenue, 47% less than they did in October 2021. When the market was peaking, it is the first month since August 2021 that mining revenue did not clear the 1 billion market cap. And that shows you that there was a very strong decrease. And before then, you can see that some of these crypto mining sites actually make over 50% of their revenue, but then that doesn't mean that they don't still make profit, but rather there is just a decrease. There is massive profit in the crypto mining industry. All I just need to do for you right now is to review to you some of the crypto mining stocks that you can invest in and make some money from investing in their stock. The first on our list today is Marathon Digital Holdings. Marathon Digital Holdings, in symbol MARA, is focused on building America's leading enterprise Bitcoin miner. Marathon Digital Holdings aims to build the largest mining operation in North America at one of the lowest energy costs. Marathon helps you gain exposure to Bitcoin in your portfolio without having to deal with the complications of holding the asset directly. And as of today, their market cap is $737 million and their share price is $6.8 million. The next on our list is Riot. Riot is also a crypto mining company. Is a Bitcoin mining company supporting the Bitcoin blockchain through rapidly expanding large-scale mining in the United States. They are focused on expanding their operations by increasing their Bitcoin mining hash and infrastructure capacity. Riot believes the future of Bitcoin mining will benefit from American operations and endeavors to be the driver of that in future. And their market cap is $617 million, while their share price is $4.8 million. The next on our list is Canon. Canon is a China-based Bitcoin mining company. The company is famous for mining chip and also building some of the Bitcoin mining machinery that most of these other companies use. In addition to that, it provides software services to the crypto world. Canon specializes in what is called application-specific integrated circuits, better known as ASICs. Also, Canon introduced the world's first nanometer mining chip in the year 2018, meaning that they are not just there for mining, they also produce mining equipment. And their share price is worth $3.2 million, while their market cap is $609 million. The next on our list is Hunt. Hunt is also a cryptocurrency mining company. It is fueling the digital ecosystem. Hut 8 is leading the digital finance revolution by advancing decentralized systems with digital asset mining and high performance computing. As of today, their share price is worth $2.18 million, and their market price is $380 million. Now, they don't just mine only Bitcoin, but they also mine Ethereum. So if you are looking to invest in Ethereum mining, you can consider investing into their business. The next on our list is Bitfarms. Bitfarms is a computing power, is also a crypto mining company that focused on mining both Ethereum and Bitcoin. Mines both Ethereum and Bitcoin, and it is based in Canada. It is based in Canada, and their share price as of today is 1.85 million Canadian dollars, and also their market cap is 368 million Canadian dollars. Farms is a blockchain infrastructure company that operates one of the largest cryptocurrency mining operations in North America, which is Canada. The next on our list is Hive. Now let's take a look at the Bitfarms Bitcoin mining numbers since the beginning of 2022. In the month of January, Bitfarms was able to mine 301 BTC, and in February it was able to mine 298 BTC. In March, Bitfarms was able to mine 363 BTC, and in April it was able to mine 405 BTC, which happens to be the highest in the year 2022. In May, it was able to mine 431 BTC, and also in June it went down again to 420. And lots more. You can take your time, go through their website, read some of their reports. They have some of these reports on their website. You just have to go to their news section and read more about them. These are documents that you can download and read on their platform. You can read more of their news, lots more. The last but not the least is Hive. Hive is powering the future of blockchain computing. HIVE Blockchain Technology is the first publicly traded crypto miner listing on the Toronto Venture Exchange in 2017 under the ticket symbol of HIVE. The company uses 100% green energy, which makes it safe for humans to live. In most countries like US, Canada, and all, there have been government complaints about some of these crypto mining companies being harmful to the human health. But then Hive uses 100% green energy to mine both Bitcoin and Ethereum with a committed ESG strategy since day one. Hive strives to create long-term shareholder value with its unique HODL strategy, bribing the blockchain and cryptocurrency to trading capital markets. So that is all about Hive, and also their market cap is 4 million Canadian dollars, and also their market cap is worth 328 million Canadian dollars. So that is all on our cryptocurrency mining company stocks. So I hope you got value from this video. You can go ahead, make your own personal research about some of these crypto mining stocks. Remember, this is not a financial advice. This is just for educational purpose. I'm just bringing vital information for you to go ahead, do more of your research, and consider investing if you would want to. This is not a paid advice. This is just me reviewing some of these companies, bringing it to your notice so that you can get to know more about it. If you are interested, if you got value from this video, just drop a comment via the comment section. I would want to know your suggestions, or if there's any crypto mining company that I didn't mention that I feel like I should also talk about, you can let me know in the comment section. I hope you got value from this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.